reading newspaper, you should not read as if you are reading something non-stop at your personal level, isn't it? You remember, you watch how the news readers on the TV, they read, how there are the modulations. This instruction is for all the students who will come over here and deliver the news. So the main thing is you have to take the attention of the people, and then you have to put your information in their mind. तो सिंपली फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश में बोल के कुछ नहीं होगा, उसको थोड़ा सा मॉड्यूलेशन आना चाहिए, पॉज होना चाहिए, फुल स्टॉप में कितना समय वेट करना है, हाफ कॉमा में कितना समय वेट करना है, ठीक है, एक्सप्लेनेशन हो गया, क्वेश्चन मार्क हो गया, सभी the class English teacher, please make it the point that their modulation should be improved. How they talk only by writing the English won't do. Unless and until the moment you open your mouth, immediately the people can understand what is the level of your English language, isn't it? So it should be very impressive, because there is no other alternative other than English to sustain or the fight on the global level. So let us accept it by heart and do the needful. Secondly, from today you have your periodic test 3. I hope all of you are serious towards it. Feel as if you are giving your CBSE exam for all the classes, isn't it? So that mindset, 1 year, one exam after another will go on building, and that will create the great concentration when you will be appearing for the class 10 and class 12 examination. Find out the syntax errors, okay, small errors. CBSE cut half mark for one syntax error. If you don't give comma, if you don't put full stop, isn't it half marks? Just imagine in this way 10-15 marks you will lose in this way only. So that also has to be taken care of. And thirdly, as CBSE has recommended, the 15 minutes you have to devote yourself in reading the question paper, however small that exam might be. This is only on 25 marks, let it be. But you have to go through that process of understanding or reading the question paper for 15 minutes. What is the advantage of that? The moment you start reading the question paper, your answer starts preparing in your mind. In subconscious mind, whatever you have studied, that comes to the conscious level, and by the time you attend that question, immediately you are well confident enough to answer or write the answer of that question. This is necessary. Secondly, you will go to the class without talking to anybody, as if you are concentrating upon the forthcoming exam. Okay? Especially class 6, 7, 8 के बच्चे यहाँ गले में हाथ डाल रहे हैं, वहाँ चिल्लाते हुए जा रहे हैं. Don't do that, because that will spoil your personality in future. Okay? Thirdly, after going to the class, when the teacher is arriving, till the teacher arrives in your class, invigilator arrives in your class, you should not talk among yourself. Just have in the meditation or that mood of giving the exam. So in this way, unless and until you create environment for you, you will not achieve whatever you have read it out. फिर ऐसा लगता है ये क्वेश्चन छूट गया, वो छूट गया, बाद में गया, और ऐसे ढंग से लिखना अच्छा था और ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलना था, ये बाद में पता चलता है, लेकिन फायदा क्या उससे, isn't it? And for that you have to be in that meditative mood for your exam. And this exam छोटी हो या बड़ी हो, बड़े ही श्रद्धा से लेना है, बड़े ही क्या बोलते हैं, प्रेम पूर्वक लेना है उसको. That will avoid your fear towards the exam, appearing for the exam. बहुत सा बार होता है एग्जाम देने के समय में निगेटिव नर्वसनेस आता है. क्यों? Because mindset we don't take care of it, isn't it? That mindset has to be created, and this should be the overall culture of our school. Okay? I hope you will understand and do the needful. From here, some announcement, class-wise announcement will be there, and accordingly the student will move. As every day, the student should not move, just wait over here.